Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on one of those essential, yet often overlooked, components that make a world of difference in professional audio. The replacement inner microphone windscreen mic cover foam windshield for the Sennheiser SKM 9000 handheld transmitter capsule. This isn't just a simple piece of foam. It's a critical element for anyone serious about maintaining the integrity of their sound and the longevity of their high-end equipment. For those who rely on the Sennheiser SKM 9000, they know it's a top-tier piece of gear, and every component plays a role in its performance. This inner microphone windscreen acts as the first line of defense for the delicate capsule. Its primary job is to minimize unwanted noise, specifically plosives, those harsh P and B sounds and breath noise that can otherwise muddy up a vocal performance or speech. By effectively diffusing these air movements before they hit the microphone element, it ensures a cleaner, more professional sound capture. Beyond acoustic performance, this foam windshield provides vital physical protection. It shields the microphone capsule from dust, debris, and moisture, which are common culprits for degrading microphone performance over time. In a professional setting, where equipment is often used extensively and in various environments, this protective barrier is invaluable for extending the lifespan of a costly transmitter capsule. The fact that it's designed specifically for the Sennheiser SKM 9000 means users can expect a perfect fit, ensuring optimal performance without any compromise to the microphone's internal acoustics or physical integrity. The product comes in a convenient 5-pack, which is a significant advantage. Having multiple replacements on hand means users can easily swap out a worn or soiled windscreen, maintaining hygiene and consistent audio quality across multiple uses or performers. This is particularly important in broadcast, live performance, or studio environments where cleanliness and peak performance are non-negotiable. The black color ensures it blends seamlessly with the microphone's design, maintaining a professional aesthetic. Ultimately, investing in these replacement foam windshields is a small but smart decision that yields substantial returns in audio clarity, equipment protection, and overall peace of mind for any Sennheiser SKM 9000 user.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.